Hi, today I'm gonna teach you a really fast way to create this effect that looks like it's a 3D ring, okay? So follow me. Let's start with a new canvas. Plus 4000 by 4000 RGB. Okay. So I would like to use first my line work circle stamp. Let's go to settings, canvas, drawing guide to help ourselves with this. I will create maximum opacity so you're able to see it. You don't need to do that at home, but it's only for the camera. And grid size here. I think we go with this is fine. Okay, done. And here we start. I'm gonna place the background a bit darker because I'm gonna work with white. Okay, so here we have the circle stamp. The link of this brush set is down below. Right now I'm so happy because it's a bestseller in Etsy. Okay, so circle stamp right in the middle, create perfect circle. Okay, let's make a small ring. Okay, I'm gonna expand this one using uniform, and I'm placing a snapping because I can see where I'm going. You can also use magnetics, so it will stick and tell you exactly where you are on the grid. Okay, let's place it there. Cool. Now we need to make it a ring. There are many ways. This is one of my favorites because it's very easy. Duplicate the layer, slide left, duplicate. Let's change the color to this one so we can see it. You can either drop the color, but sometimes because I expanded, it creates some pixels. So go here, adjustment, brightness, and bring that to black by just going with brightness. Okay, this is just a small trick. Select this arrow to change the size. So how thick would you like your ring? That's your decision. Trying to place this in the corner of the... Okay, here we go. And here also. Okay, about here. Okay, I like it there. That will be the width of my ring. So how do we take this space from the white? Very simple. You check here, automatic selection to the maximum, not. You can slide and change the selection threshold. So I will go almost maximum so I don't miss any spot. Then go to layers, select the white circle, select again, and click clear. Let's turn this black off, and there we have our ring. I will change this to almost white, but not completely white, and you will see why. This is a light gray. Okay, then we duplicate the ring we're gonna use, and the one below, select the one below. Let's turn this off so you can see. Let's turn the top one off. The one below, go to adjustment, brightness. Let's bring it to black. Okay, then we're gonna choose these effects, effects, Gaussian blur, and I go with 15, 16. Let's do 15 right now. Okay, let's see how it looks with our white one on top. Okay, it gives us kind of like a cut out effect, like paper cut out, but I will create that shadow only inside. So we resize, because it's a perfect circle, we can resize here to the inside. Now we have that illusion that is cut and that is coming from below. Okay, but it's too dark, so normally I put down the opacity to 60%, but it's up to you. You can select any opacity you want. Okay, so next trick is we're gonna duplicate this one again and put it on top. We take the arrow for scaling and go near the border. Okay, near the border, we're almost there. Where I want it to be, and you notice this inner border almost in the middle of the ring, a little bit outside of that. Okay, it's a bit darker still. I will apply a little bit more of Gaussian blur, not much, just a little bit more, 2 to 3%. Okay, now, fun part. We select the layer with the white ring, selection, automatic selection on the outside of the ring, then layer, select the upper blur ring, select again, clear. Now we have this, it's clean, and we're gonna reduce this a little bit. Great, let's go back here, the white, background now is white. Okay, now we're gonna apply some color. Let's make it gold as before, right here, and there you have a golden ring. Now let's make it a bit shiny. Let's go back a little bit. Let's take that color out, so I duplicate this in white. Go up here. Let's turn it off. Put the ring back in yellow. Turn the white on. And now turn this black one back. And this black one we use at the beginning, we're going to use it to reduce the size even more of that ring. And here it looks nice for me, not that thin, not that thick. It's up to you though, what effect you want. Okay, then select. Also you can do this, click here, select, and then go to the white one, clear. Turn this one off, and we have a ring. Now we're gonna put that on top, in the middle of the ring. We're gonna apply Gaussian blur until we are satisfied with the effect. Let me turn the grid off. You can see it properly. Pinch, and you have it. That's the fastest way you can do a ring. I hope you like this tutorial. Please comment below if you want to see more of this, and don't forget, subscribe to the channel so this channel keeps growing. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.